Hello everyone. Two sections of your hair and tie it with a rubber band to look it like half ponytail. Then comb the rest of the part of your hair, divide it in two parts. The sections of your hair and do clean and neat plaitings. See how perfect it looks. Then pull out few sections of your hair to make it look messy. Then repeat the same process with the other half of your hair. Take three fingers and pull it tight with your hair. Then do the plaits and pull out those few sections which you want to look messy. See how awesome your hair looks. Then fold both the parts of your plaited hair and tuck it with a bobby pin to the upper parts of your hair. Secure it with your favorite colorful pin. Another hair hack. Tie your hair with a half ponytail. Tie the lower half of your ponytail with another rubber band. Make a gap in between your hair and roll it to the upper part to make it look like a bow. Tie the lower two sections of your hair with a rubber band. Make a gap, put your hair inside it and roll it to the upper part. Make it look clean like this and secure it with your favorite fancy bobby pin. Tie your hair in a half ponytail, roll it inside the remaining part of your hair, divide it in half and tie it with rubber band. Put a crossed rubber band through the left side of your hair. Take the other half of your hair and put it inside that rubber band to make it look like this. Repeat the same process with the other half of your hair as well. Take both the ends and secure it with a rubber band. Put a bobby pin inside to give it a tighter look. Then decorate it with your fancy backing. Tie your hair in a ponytail and put a three-handed back pin inside it. Tie the lower end of your hair with a rubber band and then twist it to the upper part of your hair like this. Secure it with your favorite fancy bobby pin. Take two halves of your hair and tie it with a rubber band in the form of half ponytail. Let it loose like this. Take the other half of your hair and put it inside the lower half of your hair. Take the remaining part and twist it to make it look like this and close it to the upper part of your hair. Make it look like a circle and secure it with a favorite bobby pin. Hold your hair like a ponytail. Use your index finger to roll your hair like this and secure it easily with a fancy back pin. Thanks for watching.